yɛmfa mfiri hɔ na yɛmfa mfiri hɔ na afei yɛhwɛ sɛ enya bia aha reasonable comment kokwanyira won sam no okan no
yenti the introduce that thing hey president Mano also kaye so eventually I'm telling you somebody should turn an Akufo-Addo Masa history has a very interesting way of repeating itself. On the 13th of January 1972 a certain Colonel Ignatius Kutu Achampo led an insurrection, led a movement that removed the Progress Party from power. Busia was the Prime Minister, Akufo-Addo's father was the ceremonial president. Somebody should tell Akufo-Addo that history has an interesting way of repeating itself. I'm telling you, history has a very interesting way. Oh, Master, history has an interesting way of repeating itself. Because, President,
General, they are okay, very serious about.
Oh, that's thank you, Captain. There will be a civil revolt. There will be a people's movement. Now, President Mahama power. Now, President Mahama power. Let my vote count for me, occupy Ghana, for mother. Only that will to President Mahama Adieso.
But Oma reference to Ignatius Kutu. Oh, Joshua Kamadia. Oma reference to Ignatius Kutu Achampo. Say Obabe 2 a year Akufo-Addo papa. And it's easier. Say history will repeat itself. And no name civil revoke. And no name civil revoke. General Patrol, one day.
Are you president?
Yay.
There will be a civilian coup d'etat.
Hey.
There will be a social revolution.
Hey.
We are starting on Wednesday. The movement is starting on Wednesday.
Okay. So the movement is starting today, Wednesday, the 28th of March. And only in someone Kokonyo, and Ghana money who know you. San 19 January 1972, ya Kokonyo the Hukobo no. A one of Ghana's day of shame. A daba kwa Ghana, mino, and Guasie. Etsi omaino enti is a day back wa omai Ghana embassy be kaisa adano a da democratically elected president obi eye na dwen se otuno ana otunu free one more edi free ade so. So Oya Ghana abakose mu February 1966, January 1972, June 4th 1979, 31st January 1981. Sa events in 9 way. Events na that is February 1966, January 1972, June 4th 1979, 31st January 1981. Sa na yada coup d'etat esi o my Ghana mu. Yes, I'm bossy. Even the actors will coup d'etat no and net. So many opportunity no more kasa. Refer to that day. Even if they are referring to that day, they do so in a sober manner. They do so in an apologetic manner. They do so in a reconciliatory manner. Not to inflame person. So Obebo, February 1966, January 1972, June 4th, 1979, 31st January 1981. Even June 4th, 1979, Jerry John Rawlings, and ya make say Jerry John Rawlings celebrated June 4th. Here is the demeanor of Rawlings. If Rawlings is celebrating his June 4th, ne uprising no. Here with the demeanor of Rawlings. Rawlings ever in that sober manner. Oba in a manner, reconciliatory manner. Oba in a forgivable manner. And all celebrities are there no. Even though we have some people in this country, Omoni Rawlings, as I am one of those. June 4th celebration, Omoni. But you can't take it away from him. But also or celebrating in such a way, say during that era, obi who kaye, not even the relative, the family, a bit etiasi and neya make us a year. Nipano onko for haubia embreno. And what I am saying is, Koko Enyi de won semwa or the two da and someone kekaye say history will repeat itself. No, yes indeed it was true. Akufo-Addo's father in 1972, you see, there was election. Let take you on through. There was election in that was in 1966, and then in 1969, there was that period when you know to about Ghana, and then it leading to 1972 January coup d'etat. Na koko ni the whole can watch them no. To about no area no. Oh, I dear back usually, I want to say, Sabreno, say, to about party obenya majority of parliament. No, the leader of the party who automatically becomes the prime minister. Na nipa na contest you know. Sa nipa no ababe the president and the winner of one mono. And what happened was that Professor Buzia then time Progressive Party omno winning here. Omunya majority in parliament. And the Professor Buzia automatically was the leader. Ebe here the prime minister. The first prime minister ya inyanwo Ghana ha. Na ye Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Ono free wa no waba Dr. Professor Abrifa Buzia bononi this year wenji this year. Now no, he was the second. Now the utie kwa kwa nyida wo ensamo a woka 1972 ya otanko bo General Kutu Tampon Dino. I thought former President Kufuor he did something spectacular. Minim advisors and handlers at that time. Not almost handle former President John Agyekum Kufuor. Obekaya when he came or instituted their friend reconciliation committee so over Kaisa na even former President Rawlings appeared. Several people say atrocities say see during the coup era near the no yenye sa reconciliation committee no na yemfa ye ho born nche because ade no na akwa say your friend say gen dia janai no esro na ho asiane de chaka o hwehwe ho a na say the church ho but deep inside nipa binum no na omo aya ebinum nya binum ombetu omo ka entina ye wo nipa binum omo abo that feeling in them. And a former President John Agyekum Kufuor during 2001 or by or institute that reconciliation no among folk came out and almost speaking almost heart out almost clear almost chest. Ebinum sui at the point to be crowd wui. Ebinum openly, ebinum bonnet chair almost. Until we thought, say event, you see 1966, 1972, 1979, 1981, no ship, your chap. Up until say, Koko Nideho, Esako revisited one of Ghana's day of shame. And it is there, NDC leader because almost two social go NDC photo, and Joshua Kamba, and is a Ghana's day of shame. Who told you? Who told you? I heard passengers are now almost drivers are driving through that CID headquarters anymore. No, 15, 20, 31 hours while loading passengers would do. Passengers were collecting their money from him. Quincy. Through no fault of the driver. Because Yachiobia won't make a commenter, minor fees a commenter won't make and yet and you know, almost more driving much your mokai. Moncler road, no Moncler road now, Yanere. Monfil Kwanum, Mosiam, we would die here. So she crown Mujano. Block it crying, Monchimo, not Quino, and them, not drivers are Omuyo, Muslim Chimo, I've almost done associated Gumusa, Ghana's day of shame. Who told you Ghana's day of shame? Ghana, why day of shame? Missy Gona the day so, Sam Yamanua, Namu ye, Namu ye. Ebinum sui at the point to be crowd wui. Ebinum openly, ebinum bonnet chair almost. Until we thought, say event, you see 1966, 1972, 1979, 1981, no ship, the chap. Up until say, Koko Nideho, Esako revisited one of Ghana's day of shame. enra meteze NDC leader bi ka se omo tun so shegu NDC photo enti Joshua Kamba enti is a Ghana's day of shame. Who told you? Who told you? I heard passengers are now almost drivers are driving through that CID headquarters anymore. No, 15, 20, 31 hours. While loading passengers would draw, passengers were collecting their money from him. Finally, through no fault of the driver. Because Yachobia, one making commenter, mine fees a commenter, one making no, and yet, and you know, almost more driving, what's your mokrai? Mon clear road, no mon clear road now, Yanere. Mon feel quanum, Mosiam, we would die here. So she cran a mujano. Mo block it crying, mon chimo, no crino, and them, no drivers are on your modma, Mosum chimo. I feel more than you said Gumusa, Ghana's day of shame. Who told you Ghana's day of shame? Ghana, why day of shame? Missy Gona the day so, Sam Yamanwa, Namu ye, Namu ye,